All right, YouTube, giving you updates right here from yesterday's video, JW Solar USA, and this is what we have here going on after all the craziness that happened yesterday. Oh, did you just catch that? Snow was just flying off the roof. JW Solar USA is a sunny day here, and we are making some power. But today is not all about power, it's about the weather. Yesterday, what happened, what transpired here on my previous video, you guys can see what's going on, just like a white Christmas. And see, check it out, what's going on here, folks. Look at that. Oh, fresh bunch of snow. Feel like skiing all the way. Oh, let's go to the attic and jump all the way from the roof and just slide all the way here. This is cool, beautiful, nice view. FTA still standing there doing a good job. No snow on the eye, the LNB. So that means we're having a clear transmission on pictures. Look at that. Look at the pine trees are all fluffy, filled with snow, fresh snow. Huh? How do you like it? Look at this. And folks, I'll take you outside and show you one of the coolest stuff I want you guys to see. This is the reason why I made the video. Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, you guys can see walking all the way down my stairs. You see the snow is just crazy. Look, see how that car is barricaded? See that? That's crazy. Let me show you one of the coolest stuff here I was gonna show you. Haha, look at this. Hanging on my roof. You see that? Is that not cool? Really, really cool. Awesome, awesome. See? This is nice. The skies and all. It's just like a beehive. No offense to people that has bees or own bees, but it looked like a beehive. This is cool. Snow hanging right there. And awesome, awesome, awesome photo right there. See that? Is one of the things I want to show you guys and make sure. And look at that. Let's go to the pine trees. See? Just few snow get piled up over there. And see how everything is just a mess. All craziness. And you can see, take a look of that pine tree and see how everything looks like. Look at the other one over there. Look at that roof. See that? Pretty cool, huh? Look at the skies over there. Probably see the sun coming from that angle. And this is what I want to show you guys. A whole bunch of snow. It's melting. And I heard, I think it's gonna be about 40 degrees by Friday. You see? See that? Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. From the Command Center, JW Solar USA. Thanks for being part of this channel. And bye for now.